Hello everybody, this is Joan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a DeLonghi Specialista with us in the shop. And it had came in, originally the customer had accidentally grind twice. The issue with that is what happens is your port filter would be in here, put one amount of grind, and if you grind it again, that coffee is just going to build up into the chute, get super clogged, and it did. So I had to open the top up, open the grinder, completely open, clean out both the grinder, the burrs, under the burrs, also the chute coming from here all the way down. That'll put it in your portafilter. Did it all by hand, and so after that, that's all we did to the machine. And so we're gonna test the grinder. We're just gonna brew a shot with this machine, just to make sure that it's working. I think I forgot to put coffee in there, so we're gonna actually put coffee real quick. Alright, now that I have coffee in there, I'm gonna actually redo that again. And we have this on a pretty fine setting. We have this on number 3. And so we're just wanting to test if you can still get a really good espresso grind out of it. Of course, you go coarser, you get coarser coffee. I wouldn't go past 3 or even 2, just because it's way too fine for a machine like this. If your burrs start running out, you could really tighten the burrs a little more, and you should be fine. And yeah, there's a really nice bed of coffee in there, as you can see. So we're gonna clean that. We're gonna put this on, go all the way to the closed, get yourself a glass, and we're just gonna brew a double shot. And again, all we did was just clean the grinder, clean the chute out. Didn't do much more than that. We didn't do a tune-up or any sort of cleaning. I did wipe down the machine a little bit, but that's the max I did. This shot might come out a little bit wonky, probably because I just didn't calibrate much. And so you could go anymore. We are making espresso at the optimal zone, so we're all good. No leaks around the portafilter, which is always good. Common problem with these machines, it does leak around the portafilter sometimes when it gets a little older or if you mishandle it, but it looks like a good shot. We're just going to let that brew. This is, of course, a double shot. And yeah, that's about it. If you like this video or any of our other videos on the channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.